So we have this situation and we have to integrate x tan inverse x. So you know that we have two functions. We have two functions in product, and one function is algebraic function, the other function is inverse trigonometric function. So we will be applying UV method over here. Okay, integration by parts, but we have to decide which function has to be taken first. So I will be using the word isolate. Okay, so inverse. So if there exists inverse function, we have to take first as inverse function, then algebraic function. So first function is inverse function. So look at this, let's apply the formula. So first function integration of second function minus whole integration differentiation of first function into integration of second function. I hope this thing you can apply. Now let's do the manipulation. So tan inverse x, what is the integration of x? It is x square by 2 minus differentiation of tan inverse x is 1 plus x square, and what is the integration of x is x square by 2. Okay, now you can manipulate this thing. So you know that it will become little bit tough to integrate. So what I will do, I will add and subtract 1, x square plus 1 minus 1, and then we will be having two questions. So it is tan inverse x square by 2 minus 1 by 2 integration of x square plus 1 by x square plus 1 minus minus plus 1 by 2 integration of dx by 1 plus x square. Okay, this thing will be neutralized, we will be left with 1. Now let's move on to the final part. So tan inverse x square by 2, and then what is the integration of 1? Integration of 1 is x, so it is x by 2. And what is the integration of dx by, what is the integration of dx by 1 plus x square is tan inverse x. I hope, and with integration constant, this integration constant is super important. Okay, I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. Okay.